Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and this plant is called Carissa Holly. We like to use this one because it's about as low maintenance as you get. This is about 2.5, maybe 3 feet tall at the very tallest, and it hasn't been trimmed on at all, so it creates this nice mounding shape to it. Uh, it it You don't need to trim on it. If you do trim on it with hedge trimmers, it tends to make it look bad because you wind up cutting the leaves and they turn brown. So just just install it and then leave it alone. The only problem that we really see out of this plant is overwatering, especially in shaded areas. But it does grow in both the sun and the shade and does just fine. So if you need somewhat of a medium-sized plant, maybe as a background plant, this is a good one for you. It doesn't get insect issues, disease issues, anything like that. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share these with your friends and family. You can also subscribe to our quick tip emails. Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.